What's going on, guys? Philly from Custom Offsets, TV and YouTube. We got Brad. I was going to hit you again. I decided I probably shouldn't.
I forgot about that.
We got another episode of This or That. So we take the questions that you guys asked on the last one. I feel like my voice cracked there. And we're going to answer them. Keaton's behind the camera. We're in front of the camera. That's where we belong. Go.
First mod, intake or exhaust?
Exhaust.
Exhaust. Not necessarily because you'll get more power, but it definitely sounds better.
But it doesn't always sound better.
No. Gotta be careful.
If you're fuller, you just cut the muffler off, and then it doesn't sound better usually. It sounds worse.
Depending on the vehicle, I actually think straight pipes sound great on just about everything.
I don't think there's one vehicle that straight pipe sounds better on than an exhaust system.
My daily straight pipe, my race car straight pipe.
That sounds
my
terrible.
My truck is
It has a
not
muffler.
straight pipes. It's, yeah.
It's got a
You can't say that.
Why not?
What?
Subwoofers or train horn?
Subwoofers.
Yeah, subwoofers, I guess. Train horns.
Train horns?
It's
because if
funny
you-
for like a little while.
You're a douche if you have train horns.
And then it just gets old. We're like, subs, you can at least, listen to some quality audio.
Yeah.
Except all you
can
guys
have nice moderate
probably gonna play
subwoofers that sound
Travis Scott,
Great.
Juice WRLD.
Stop yawning. What
Okay.
What is wrong with you?
I'm ready for bed. It's so late. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
2017 Ford F-250 or 2017 Chevy 2500 to build?
Super Duty. Why? Because I like the way they look better. And I like the LED headlights. It's a really dumb reason to pick it, but that's why I'm picking it. And then I can also be like, straight axle gang.
I'm gonna say Chevy because you said to build it, and then I saw an axle swap it, and then I'd be like, straight axle gang.
Well, my build will take less money because it comes straight axle.
Who cares?
I think they sound cool. I think they look
If you're
cool.
not paying, why does it matter?
I like the interior.
Cool.
Why gotta be so mean, Brad?
My build's gonna be way more over the top. Unlimited budget.
How's your Escalade coming?
It's coming. It's not taking much longer than it took to fix your Solstice, so.
Hidden or exposed winch?
Hidden.
Wow, tie game.
Tie.
Yeah, I think it looks way cleaner on the front end if you have a hidden winch.
Yeah, I like having a hidden winch because if you're hiding the winch, then it's usually not sticking out. You're not ruining your approach angle or anything like that. So I like having it hidden. It's more practical. I guess maybe it's not more practical. It looks better.
I don't know if
And
it's
it
more
functions
practical.
better for off-roading.
Yeah, because it's not hanging out there. And you're not going to smash it into something or smash something into it. But if it is hidden, then, I know a lot of people that have hidden winches. If you want to operate it, you got to, go in there, unless you got the remote cable.
Have, an air-operated clutch and all that kind of cool stuff. But no one has that in the on-road world, really. So still, a hidden winch. Good job.
Half ton or 3/4 ton for daily driving?
Half done.
What the is, why do you keep yawning?
I'm tired.
What? Why is this something wrong? He's making
Let's,
too many Baby Yoda memes.
Let's start that over again.
Half ton
Half ton.
for daily driving. It's going to be more comfortable,
Yep.
more practical for daily driving purposes only. Half ton for sure, no reason not to.
Yeah. Driving my truck around unloaded, pretty stiff. It drives fine when I throw the boat on the back. It drives actually better when I have the boat on the back. But that's why you want a half ton for daily driving. A little softer, not quite so jarring.
We're going to get all these.
Here we go.
What the is going on? Is this real life?
His brain needs to cool down.
Am I being pranked?
Yeah, Ashton Kutcher
Ashton Kutcher is going to come out. And it was punked. Remember that show? Who thought of that show?
Yeah.
Me. Step rails, fixed or powered?
Power.
Depends on the situation.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Because if it's on an off-road build, you don't want to smash those into something and damage them. They're quite costly, and you're not going to want to replace them, and they're not going to function as rock sliders. But you can get steps that do function like rock sliders. I guess for the most part, I think on show builds, I choose power steps because it looks way cleaner, and I'm really short, so you need some sort of step.
My thinking is, I agree. Although I agree, I think, first of all, if you have an off-road truck, you're not going to have side steps on it.
Rock sliders.
Those aren't side steps.
But you could.
You could, but you're not. So I'm thinking of a daily driver road vehicle hidden steps.
Then hidden steps.
Much cleaner.
Definitely not the OEM power steps though. Like the
Why?
ones that Ford has are massive. And the Chevy ones too that just
Oh,
like
those are-
slide
yeah,
out.
those are
They don't
weird.
come down. They just like,
Yeah, those kind of
and they're thick with 2 C's.
thick.
Long travel kit or 10-inch lift?
Long travel.
Yep, Brad and I are too similar on this one. I would take a long travel kit.
Long travel for sure.
Because I mean, technically you could have a 10-inch lift long travel too. Like, you
I
can
don't
have a
think-
very tall truck that also has long travel, Brad.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen that.
Dylan's pre-runner is F-150. He has 37s with tons of room. It's not a 10-inch lift, but
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
quite tall, and
not
it's
10-inch
long travel.
Yeah, it's not that.
It's not 10-inch. It's still big, though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's gonna be a little bigger in the tires, and.
It's big enough that at Silver Lake Sand Dunes, it went,
But when someone refers to something in the size of the lift, it's not a functional long travel vehicle or anything like that.
no. Plus, I like going fast, so if you have long travel, you can go fast. Are you trying to make me yawn?
Yes.
This one was a Brad question.
Oh.
Why do you keep yawning? Stop.
I can't control it. I just really hate that every time I yawn, it makes it look like I'm crying.
I'm crying from laughing at your yawning.
50 Chevy or square body?
Brad.
Both. I don't know. I can't pick. Probably square body, just because it's lame. But square bodies have a place in my heart, you know.
How many square bodies have you had? Including the ones that were just bought for parts.
Probably 7.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot of square bodies.
So yeah, although I do love a 50 Chevy pickup, square bodies just have that. They're more obtainable too. First of all.
Again.
What? You never even said anything.
This is a Brad question only.
Oh.
What?
It said this one's for Brad.
Whoa,
Well,
Well,
not really. It just was.
50 Chevy. There you go.
reason?
I think they look cool.
They have
I
more
want an
space
all
inside of them
matte
to yawn.
black one.
There's more air in the cabin that I can inhale
Okay.
from my yawning.
A guy yawns a couple, 2-3 times, and the whole world ends over here.
It's more than 2.3. 2.310.
90 box with wheels, tires, suspension.
Oh, yeah.
Brand new engine, brand new interior, or 2019
Yeah.
Ram, but completely unreliable.
Oh, well, yeah.
90s.
90s box
For
for
sure.
because that's everything I've ever owned. Is that?
Yeah, I would.
And
I
it's
would
more
much
reliable
rather,
than a Ram.
Much rather have a reliable vehicle than an unreliable. Not saying.
Wait a minute.
Gotta put that out there. Not saying the brand new Ram's unreliable. Just saying, based on this question, the specific Ram he's talking about is not reliable. So I would take a 90s truck. Even if
agree.
it's kind of junky on the outside. It's got wheels, tires, suspension. You might as well make it super junky. Like make it a rat rod.
It can't be that junky because it's got new engine and all that, whatever you said.
He's saying appearance-wise. It's gonna be rusty.
Oh, that's okay.
Patinaed. Stuff's falling off.
That don't bother me.
Bonus question. In a fight to the death, Brad Pavlovsky or Santa Claus?
Oh.
Brad
Is it-
Pavlovsky, I would say.
Is Ron Santa Claus? Because he's who played Santa Claus in our video last year. So I got
No.
military Ron versus New Jersey
No,
Brad.
You can't say that. It's Santa Claus.
I've never met the
He's
guy.
simply representing.
Okay, I only know that Ron was a character
Have you ever seen
in our
Elf?
Santa Claus video.
Have you ever seen the movie Elf?
No.
That's Santa Claus is in there. That's who we're referring to.
I pick Ron. Ron Parrot. Like
That's
the
not what
bird.
we're talking about.
Versus Brad.
That's not even the question.
It's the new question.
I pick Brad Pavlovsky either way. I mean, for sure,
I can't
that's
wait.
my go-to.
I can't wait for the amount of friend requests that you're about to get. That's another episode of This or That. Thanks, Keaton, for asking the questions. If you guys want to ask any more, drop them in the comments below. I'm talking really fast. Subscribe to youtube.com/CosmosTV. Peace.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.